For example, KRBL. What exactly is KRBL? You are asking me 5 to 10 years of holding, right? So that is the reason I am taking KRBL as an example. When did they start this business? 1889. 135, 136 years or something like that. That's when they have started. More than 130 years of history. And what is the business? Basmati rice. How many of you going to stop eat basmati rice next year or 5 years from now? I like biryani. I'm from Hyderabad, so I should like biryani and all. Try Hyderabad biryani, by the way, whenever you are in Hyderabad. So I think I'll eat biryani for next 50 years or as long as I'm here. And I think my kids or my grandparents, grandkids, everyone will eat biryani. So you see the product here, basmati rice. You see any disruption in this product? No, people will eat basmati rice as long as they are alive. So the market is going to there forever, almost forever. This is such a business that I want to hold for maybe like 10, 15, 20, 30 years because the product will stay. Technology cannot change my food preferences. Never, technology cannot change my food preferences. I like chicken. I will like chicken after 5 years or 20 years also. I like chicken. That's my preference. It's never going to change. Maybe you can invent some tablet and you can say whatever calories, whatever calorie or protein or whatever it is in this in chicken, you will get it from this tablet. I'll be like, dude, get out. I'll eat chicken and get the same protein. Why would I take a pill? I mean, I love it, right? So my preferences won't going to change no matter what. So if it can be replaced with a tablet or a pill or an injection, I won't take it. I will still eat it because food. We enjoy food eating and all. So basmati fits in over there. This is the kind of product you can stay for 10 years invested. But having said that, what is the advantage with KRBL? They have brand. It's not just a commodity product. Generally, rice is commodity. But they have India Gate global top brand. Got it? Top brand globally. High margin products. They have the biggest plant in the world. Their manufacturing plant is biggest in the world. You see market leaders in online, whatever general trade and all, they are the market leaders. Modern trade also, they are the market leaders. Now, once that position, getting that position is difficult. Once you got that position, it's very difficult for the competitor to disrupt. You are there. I mean, you will be there because that's the kind of market it is. Because you are all KRBL is already established. It's difficult to move it from there. So as you can see, this is something, KRBL is something that we can hold for 5, 10, 20, 40 years also. But we need to track it throughout. It's not like KRBL is a very good company. They have brand, this and that, scale advantages, undervalued, I'll buy, I'll hold for 20 years blindly. That doesn't work. That doesn't work. You keep tracking it. Whether the story is in line, the brand is intact, new competitor is entering, disrupting, you find anything. Maybe the paddy prices have changed, or the farmers, whatever unions, whatever, anything can change, right? So if there is any change, that change is going to impact this business structurally. So if that you need to track. But KRBL is something that if someone is buying KRBL today as a stock, the best time to sell, as Buffett says, never. KRBL is such a stock. You don't need to sell it forever. For example, for Warren Buffett, Coca-Cola is if you ask Buffett like when do you want to sell Coke as a business or a stock, Warren Buffett's reply would be never. Why? Because Coke is something, it's not just a drink. It's a part of many people's life. How many of you know? I don't know, but even people here like in the office or my family also complains a lot. I consume a lot of cool drinks. So I know like one, because there is caffeine and all, you are addicted, and we think a lot of brain, brain generally wants some, sugar and all. So sweet is anyway expected. So I also consume a lot of cool drinks, and I have a particular preference. I only want that. I sometimes I travel 20-25 kilometers, no matter what, I want that. So I that's something, very addictive after a point. So it becomes your lifestyle. So Coke is going to stay forever, no matter how many policies you bring, whatever you do, Coke is going to stay. And Buffett knows that it's personal preference. It's part of tradition, part of culture. If you have a party, like people have Coke, and also it's part of that culture. Similarly, basmati rice or chicken biryani or mutton biryani, or it's also a part of culture, and people like the taste. So I don't think, if you ask me like when will be the right time to sell KRBL, I would say you have to hold it forever. Whatever Coke characteristics, you can find the similarities here also to a certain extent. But you need to tracking is the difficulty. If you can track it, then KRBL is one such stock.